In this question, we are to find value of iota raised to power 18 plus 1 divided by iota raised to power 25 whole raised to power 3. Now consider iota raised to power 18. We can write it as iota square raised to power 9. We know that iota square is minus 1. So we can write it as minus 1 raised to power 9. Being an odd power, it will become minus 1. So in this way, we got iota raised to power 18 is minus 1. Now consider 1 divided by iota. It is a p by q form. If we multiply numerator and denominator of a fraction with same numbers, the value of fraction will remain unchanged. So here I am going to multiply numerator and denominator both with iota. So it will become iota divided by iota square. So 1 divided by iota, 1 upon iota will become iota upon iota square. Once again we know that iota square is minus 1. So I can write 1 divided by iota is nothing but iota upon minus 1, and finally it is minus iota. So value of 1 divided by iota is minus of iota. Now consider 1 divided by iota raised to power 25. We have found that 1 upon iota is minus of iota whole raised to power 25. Again, being an odd power, it will become minus of iota raised to power 25. I can write it minus iota 24, iota raised to power 24 into iota, and then minus iota square raised to power 12 into iota. We know that iota square is minus 1. So 1 upon iota raised to power 25 will become minus of minus 1 raised to power 12 into iota. Since 12 is an even number, so minus 1 raised to power 12 will be 1. So minus of 1, and finally it is minus iota. So in this way you have found that 1 upon iota raised to power 25 is minus of iota. So now consider iota raised to power 18 plus 1 upon iota raised to power 25 whole raised to power 3 is equal to minus 1 minus iota whole cube. We can write it in this way, minus of 1 plus iota whole cube. So again 3 is an odd number, so it will become minus of 1 plus iota whole cube. Using identity a plus b whole cube, which is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Using this identity I can write minus of 1 plus iota whole cube is 1 minus of 1 cube plus 3 1 square iota plus 3 multiplied by 1 iota square and plus iota cube. So it is minus 1 plus 3 iota plus 3 iota square plus iota cube, which is iota square into iota, minus of 1 plus 3 iota plus 3 minus 1. Why? Because iota square is minus 1, and again once again iota square is minus 1, so it is, finally you can write minus of 1 plus 3 iota minus 3 and minus iota. You will get minus of 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 3 iota minus iota is 2 iota. So the final result is minus minus plus 2 minus 2 iota.